Welcome to Phinixx app, your one-stop delivery solution. In this tutorial video, we're excited to show you how to refer your friends and family to our app and earn rewards. Firstly, let's go to the More section of the app. Once you're there, click on Refer and Earn to get started. Here, you'll find your unique referral code. To share it with your friends, simply click the button and share it through various options available on your phone. Now, it's super easy for your friends and family to sign up using your referral code. All they have to do is, first, open the app and click on the Create Account button. Next, fill in their name, email address, phone number, and password. They should make sure they enter their details correctly. Now, it's time to enter your unique referral code in the given section. Then after carefully reading the terms and conditions, click on the tick box to agree. After that, click on the Create Account button. They will then receive an OTP to verify their phone number. After entering the OTP, their account will be created successfully. When they register, they'll get a welcome bonus of 50 rupees, which can be used in their next order. After they place their first order and it's successfully delivered, you'll get a referral bonus of 100 rupees automatically credited to your Phinixx wallet. To quickly learn how to use your Phinixx wallet, check out our tutorial video by clicking the link in the I button above. We hope you find this tutorial helpful for earning rewards by referring the Phinixx app to your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the Phinixx app tutorial series. Thank you for watching and enjoy ordering on Phinixx.